Hello, in this video we will prove that lines are parallel based on the properties that form when two lines are parallel. For example, if two lines are cut by a transversal and the same side interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so we're going to prove this theorem. We are given this diagram. The transversal T is a transversal. Transversal passes through line N and line M at 2 points. So, and the other one we know is that angle 1 is supplementary to angle 2. See, angle 1 and angle 2 are same side interior angles, so they add up to be 180. Okay, so we are going to prove that line N and M are parallel. Okay, so we draw our two column like that. Do the statement. And then the reason. Okay, and of course we start with what is given. What do we know? We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 because they are supplementary. It is given. It is given. They told us right here. And then what do we know? Well, we know that angle 2 and angle 3 are both on a straight line. They are both on a straight line. They are on line M. So with angle addition, angle on a straight line is 180. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 as well. And we can use angle addition postulate of straight line, of straight angle. So that's straight. Okay, so now what else do we know? Well, since angle 1, the sum of angle 1 and 2 is 180, sum of angle 2 and 3 is 180 also, both of them equal each other. It means the two sums would equal each other. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 would equal angle 2 plus angle 3. Alright, because if we substitute angle 1 plus angle 2 for 180, or angle 2 plus angle 3 for 180 here, so we use substitution property. Okay, so what else can we do? Well, we have angle 2 on both sides. So if we subtract angle 2 from both sides, we will get angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So we used subtraction property of equality because we did it to both sides. We subtracted from both sides. Angle 2. Okay, so what else can we say? Let's look at angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3, they are alternate interior angles. They are inside these two lines. They are alternate interior. So if they are equal, if they are alternate interior and they are equal, again, that happens only when you have parallel lines. So since angle 1 equals angle 2, that means that line N is parallel back to line M, and our reason is when two lines are parallel, when alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so that proves. Again, think about how you prove. First of all, write what is given, and then look at the diagram and see any statement, any true statement you can make of them, two things that equal each other. Okay, so like how we found out that 2 and 3 are supplementary. So that's a statement we already know. So once you write them down, write as many of them you can see. After you write them down, and then you see how you can connect those statements you make. Either use substitution and switch things, or use transitive, and those properties to rewrite them to be able to get what you want. Okay, but the key is being able to use all the theorem or definitions or properties that we already know, and then from there we come down to the final statement that we are proving.